again. Today we're going to make a very simple egg dish called Foo Young Tan or Egg Foo Young. This dish is very popular in UK and US, I suppose, but we do have our own version in Malaysia. It is a very versatile dish. Hi, I'm Loretta Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey and my cooking in UK. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. So let's go and see how to make egg foo young. For the egg foo young, I'm going to use quite a number of ingredients. I'm mainly going to use prawns, which I'll use about 150 grams. I'm going to add some ham, which are left over from the Sunday roast, and I'm going to cut it into strips. I used some bean sprouts from yesterday, some leftover carrots from the other day's cooking, and I'm cut it into strips. Spring onions, I'll have about 2, which I'll cut into strips as well. And of course eggs, and I'm also going to use some egg whites, which are some leftovers from some of my cakes and kuehs. Now I'm going to use all the egg whites. I have quite a lot, and I'm going to add in 2 more eggs. So we beat the eggs until all the whites are broken up and it's an even mixture. I've changed the bowl because I need a bigger bowl to whisk. And you add in all the ingredients. The prawns, I've cut it to a bit smaller size. A handful of bean sprouts, ham, carrots, and the spring onion. We season with some salt and pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, a swirl of sesame oil. Mix it up properly and we're going to fry them. I'm going to heat up a pan and I'm going to spray it with oil. When the oil is hot, I'm going to put a few ladles of the mixture in here. And you make sure you spread it out evenly. So we make sure that it's slightly set. And then the bottom is a bit brown, and then we can turn it over. Ooh. And we like it to be brown, the omelette to be brown, so this is okay. After 2 to 3 minutes, you check that it is brown at the bottom, and your fire should be on medium, not too high, because we need to cook the inside thing. The prawn is raw, but it should be cooked. So now it's ready. Yep, it's ready, and it's really nice looking. We like it to be a bit brown and charred. And here is the second one. So I've decided to put it this way. Looks nicer. So there you go. Egg foo young. I'm going to garnish it with some spring onions and a bit of chilies. Here we are, the egg foo young. Here's the egg foo young that I've done, and I've made it with some leftover ingredients. So let's see how it looks like. See? We've got prawns, bacon or ham, and then some vegetables. So now I'm going to try it. I think this is quite perfect. It has the crunch of the bean sprouts, the bite of the crunchy prawns and some meat, and the green onions or the spring onion gives it a lovely flavor, and the oyster sauce makes the flavor even richer. So now I'm trying it with rice. This is really good, and you can serve this as a protein. If you serve it with rice, I suggest you serve it with another vegetables, stir-fried vegetables, and then it's a complete meal. Okay, now if you're watching your weight, you can have this with Raivita. This is high protein, and then I put some sweet soy sauce, and this is my sandwich for tea. So here we are. Just lovely. I need to lose weight. I hope you enjoy watching me making the Foo Young Tan or Egg Foo Young. and that you will be inspired to do it because it's so simple and it's so easy. So let's try Chinese food. It is very, very easy. So until the next time, until the next recipe, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to hit like and the subscribe button and share if you think my videos are useful. So until the next meal, until the next recipe, see you then. Bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.